guys, welcome back to my channel, or at this point our channel, because this is the second appearance here. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, our channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning viewer, you're welcome. And if it's your first time coming across our channel, you're welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, when you like, when you comment, when you share, it just increases the engagement on the video, and YouTube then pushes the video out to more people, and that's how it grows. So please do share, like the video. If you like the video, just like the video. And yeah, so on this channel I make sewing and craft videos, and today is a craft video, and we are going to show you how to recycle paper. So I was clearing the house and I just didn't want to throw away all these paper, so I went on Google and I searched how to recycle paper or what to do with paper, and we found a bunch of papier-mâché, paper clay sculptures. I didn't even know you could make sculptures out of paper. It's quite simple. We want to make a sculpture of the map of Africa.
I thought you were making a bowl.
No, you see, you're gonna make the map of Africa.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, we're making a sculpture of the map of Africa, and I'm going to introduce everything we have on the table just in a minute. So keep on watching. It's gonna be also a trial for us, but I'm sure it's gonna turn out great. And if it doesn't, it's all part of the it's all part of the craft. So keep on watching and join us in recycling paper. Okay, so things we need are a bowl of water, some paint brushes, scissors, about half a cup of flour, but if we do need more, I'll go get some. I'm not sure how much we need yet, but I have half a cup of flour there. What else have I haven't said? A little bit of cooking oil, just a little bit of vinegar, but I have a whole bottle here. White glue or craft glue, and of course the papers that we are going to recycle here. And we need cardboard. Yeah, I think that's about, the glue gone. I think that's about everything, right? So okay, so we are going to start. So while let's push all this away. So while I'm drawing out the outline of the map of Africa, you're going to be shredding the paper. Shred the paper into small pieces. Just do right, and then put it in the water. So it's gonna soak in the water for about 2 hours. Just leave it there. So that's there. If you need more water, you can get more water. So while she's shredding the paper, I'm going to go ahead and draw the outline of the map of Africa on cardboard paper. So I'm going to draw it on this one first. We have all our paper shredded, or I don't know, yeah, shredded. I'm just gonna add more water so it covers the entire thing. Okay, so we'll leave this for 2 hours. I'll set a timer, and it'll be time to blend the paper clay, or blend the paper into paper clay. Okay, would you help me blend? I hope this works. Come on, Elvin. Wow, it's actually more challenging than anticipated. So we try to make this as smooth as possible. So what we're gonna do now is take an old t-shirt or a kitchen towel, just any cotton fabric, and we're going to put this inside and squeeze out all the water to make it dry like this one. I've already squeezed out the water from this one. It's actually not as easy as I thought it was going to be. It's a lot of work, but you enjoying it? Yeah. Oh, okay, so the next step in the paper clay making process is to pour your white glue in a bowl. I'm just going to use everything because I think the paper is a lot. The paper pulp. 250 ml of white glue. It's finished. Next we'll add half a cup of flour, but I think we're gonna need more. We'll see when we start mixing it. Just a little bit of cooking oil. I think they said this is to make it soft. And a little bit of vinegar to preserve the flour you added. Okay? Okay, so we can, come on, mix it. Mix it properly. Smooth. Okay, so once everything is smooth, we're now gonna add the paper pulp. We might need more more white glue, right? Let's just use our hands. Come, let's use our hands to mix it. Oops. Right. The good thing about this is you can store it in the fridge for 2 months, I think. So it won't go bad and we can think of something else to make with it. Because... Okay, let's mix it. Feels like we're gonna make it bread or something. Okay, now it definitely has more hold now. So if it's not coming together, just add more white glue in the whole mix. All right. I'm just gonna take the clay and mold it on the cardboard. Okay, following the shape of the map. Okay. Okay, so this is what our map of Africa is looking like, or our maps of Africa. This one is baby Africa. I'm not sure what she's doing, but I think it looks good. So this is probably gonna take like 2 days to dry. So we'll leave it. We'll check it tomorrow. We'll see how dried it is tomorrow. If not, we'll leave it for another day before we sand it and paint it, right? Yeah. Well, then I'm gonna just store this in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge and think of something else to mold with it. So this is day what? Day 52? We did it when? Friday, and today is Sunday. And the smaller map is fully dried. Like, it's not heavy, but it's so dry. Mine is not dry and actually split in the middle, so I can't even raise it up. Let me show you. So it's split in the middle and just had to put more paper clay to mend it. I hope it works, but we're still gonna spray paint it now. We have this gold spray paint. We're gonna spray and make it, you know, golden Africa. All right, so let's do that now, right? Alright. Okay, so we made a stand for the smaller African map. Okay. Right? We're trying to figure it out. So now I'm going to show you how we did this. I'm going to do that for the bigger one. A lot of things went wrong. What's it called? The map broke into again. So we decided to join it together with glue gun and then cover that glue gun mark. Or we decided to just cover everything with paper, and then we're gonna spray paint the paper with gold. Alright. Yay! We're done with our papier-mâché maps. They look so nice as a backdrop. I really love them, and it was so easy to make. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you found it inspirational, and I hope we're gonna make something similar. If you do, please share with me on Instagram at films.secrets. Yeah, and it was honestly very easy to make. It took us like 3 days, well, because the papier-mâché had to dry, but otherwise it is very easy. It was fun to mold together and paint or spray paint, and yeah, that's it. Very inexpensive, and I don't think you're gonna find anything like this in the market. Very unique. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, engage with the video so that YouTube pushes it out more to other people, and you can just get more people recycling, reusing, having fun, doing their DIYs. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.